last video on table tennis.
Yeah, good.
Hannah.
Table tennis.
Woo! So,
God.
this is Charlotte. This is the other Charlotte. Laura. This is Laura. Say hi, Laura.
No.
Say hi, Hannah. That's Hannah over there. Let's zoom in. That just hit me in the chin.
Sophie, come on, let's play table tennis. Be Hannah. Be Hannah Granny. It's locked. It's locked. She's trying to buy you one looking for your phone. What? She's trying to buy you one looking for your phone.
I got that on camera. What you just said. What did you just say? Close up on Rosie.
Happy birthday, dear Charlotte.
Close up on Jennifer's eye. Oh wow, that looks well cute. Do that again. That's well cute. She looks like a little munchkin.
Where did that go?
Why are you flashing people? Why are you filming the film?
Because there's a ping pong ball in it.
What are you into, Rosie? Now's the time to come clean.
Hannah flashing people. Can you go like tell us?
Sorry, I just had it.
How do you use this thing? Is it on? Yes. Well, there's Sophie walking off. There's Hannah and Emma, the little flashers. Yeah, you've seen that? Hannah's probably part of that clan. No, you don't want to be part of the flashers clan.
No.
Here's Jennifer.